How to add multiple accounts on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually add multiple accounts on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add multiple accounts on Instagram, let's say you want to just switch to another account. For that you have to add multiple accounts. Now to do this, all you have to do is open up Instagram, and then you want to come to the profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right. Once you come to the profile page here, if you look at the very top, you'll be able to see your profile name. And if I want to switch to another account, then basically I have to log out and then log into another. But let's say I don't want to do that, and that process is just a hassle for me. What I will do is just tap the drop down menu from the top of the screen here, and then I'll just select add account here. Once I select add account, it will take me to the page where I can simply log into some other accounts if I wish. So I can just go ahead and make sure to enter the login details of those, and I'll tap on switch accounts over here, enter the email addresses and password, then successfully sign in. And next time whenever I want to switch my account, I can just come back to Instagram, then double tap on this profile picture icon, or just tap the drop down menu and choose some other accounts. This is how you can add multiple accounts on Instagram. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.